Today we're going to replace the thermostat, and how we find it is we follow the radiator hose right there. So the correct method to remove this is we disconnect the radiator hose, then we disconnect the housing. So this slot goes along here, and this is cupped. This is a tool specially made for radiator hoses, and it ratchets. It's right here where it ratchets. Sometimes a seal is created here. It makes it hard to pull these off. So I just like to take a screwdriver, flat tip, and just kind of help it. And sometimes that's all it takes. With screws that are rusty like this, I like to run them through a die, clean them up a little bit. And I also would like to run a tab in these holes. On this back side where I can't get a standard tapping tool, I'm just going to put a socket on the end. With larger taps, an 8-point socket works great. Okay, now we put in the new thermostat. I got this from Napa. Same company as the one that came out. On these thermostats, there's two metal tabs, little brass tabs. On the old one, they were pointed inside, and so to be consistent, I'm going to point them in the same direction. And I believe it should be slightly where both those tabs are towards the sending unit. The book says there's words that say front on these. This does not, so I'm just putting it in like the old one. I clean the housing surface. Just put a drop of blue Loctite on these. Even pressure all the way around. Alright, let's reconnect the radiator hose. And it's really cool radiator tool here. Lock that right in place. Look how easy that is. And then all I gotta do is squeeze it and release the locking mechanism. Yeah, I like that. Now we can't forget to add the coolant.